Hello everybody, today I have quite the treat for you. I was fortunate enough to be able to ride with Chino Police Department and their fully restored 1976 Chevy Nova in this year's annual City Christmas Parade. I of course shot some clips and I'm going to share them all with you today. Now this vehicle is actually owned by one of the lieutenants in the department and he actually maintains these gems on his own dime. The police department has an on-site museum and this is where he keeps both cars rather than sitting in a garage collecting dust. This enables the public to be able to enjoy these pieces of history, along with other facts in the museum for many generations to come. Big props goes to Lieutenant Dustin Tomasic and his late father Fernando Tomasic for keeping these alive and well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the time that I had spreading Christmas joy to the vibrant community of Chino, California. Look at this, an old 1976 Chevy Nova, maintained and restored by the department. This is one of two that actually sit in the museum over there, but it's brought out occasionally for events such as today, which is the city's annual Christmas parade. We got the sleigh as well. I think we're ready to head out, so let's get going. And no, before anyone asks, no, this is not loaded, but this is a legit weapon. $99,000 miles and it still runs. Impressive. Not just the engine, but it seems like the brakes, accelerator, all works just like it did if it was back in the day when it was brand new. There's our sleigh up there. It's going to be carrying Chief Menson. Of course, Chino Valley Fire is here as well. They got Engine 61, Mech Squad 61 down there. There's the battalion chief and their relatively new ladder truck up there. Got quite a few other participants as well. I believe the city has two of these, 66 and 61. Let's go, man. See, we also got some participants from CAL FIRE right down there. We're in for a jolly good time, folks. Beautiful. We are literally the last cars in display behind those street sweepers. Isn't that neat? Hey, successful the first time again. Yay.
A long time ago, my dad restored it.
Merry Christmas, guys!
Rolling down the red carpet, please welcome Lieutenant Tomasic, who is driving the police department's 1976 Chevy Nova. This vehicle was fully restored to its originality by Sergeant Fernando Tomasic, who took approximately 2 years to complete it.
Looking great.
The display of this vehicle was made possible by Chino Police Lieutenant Dustin Tomasic, son of retired Sergeant Fernando Tomasic.
Merry Christmas.
Tomasic Project.
Yeah! I love the energy.
And direct from the glitz and glamour of the North Pole, please help
Merry Christmas.
me welcome
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Santa is the 19th City of Chino Police Chief Kevin Benson and his family.
Merry Christmas.
Sponsoring this entry is the Chino Police Officer.
Merry Christmas, folks. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Was there? Merry Christmas.
Hey, little Easter egg for my car wash viewers right over there. Full serve place.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Same to you. Happy New Year, folks. Looks like that's a McNeil tunnel over there. I can tell those blowers are McNeil. Merry Christmas.
Rolling down the red carpet, please welcome Lieutenant Tomic, who is driving the police department's 1976 Chevy Nova. This vehicle was fully restored to its original by Sergeant Fernando.
Yeah,
Good to see
look,
you.
that's what I like to see. Merry Christmas.
Good in that car. You
Woo!
Tell us about yourself. Yeah, it's beautiful. And, ladies and gentlemen.
Alrighty folks, that's gonna about do it for this video. I know it wasn't terribly long, but I really hope you still got some enjoyment out of it. I would like to personally thank Lieutenant Tomasic for inviting me along and for being a good family friend of mine. I greatly appreciate the work that he and his father have done to these vehicles, and I certainly hope it results in many generations in the future being able to enjoy and appreciate it as well. Merry Christmas to everybody, and I hope that it is a good one for you and your family.